So you want to add your RoadRUNNER routes to your Harley-Davidson Street Glide navigation. It's, I believe, the same for the Road Glide and any of the other newer Harleys that have this dash. So on the Street Glide, first thing you're going to do is slide open your little junk drawer, and you've got a USB-C outlet here. You'll need an adapter. So I just have this little Amazon adapter to a USB stick. All my routes for this trip are on this USB stick. So once that's plugged in, you're going to go over here to your handlebar and click on the menu button. It's going to bring up this menu. Toggle over to the little navigation compass, and then you're in this screen. Once you're in this screen, you can do this two ways. You can either use the arrow keys here. So the left arrow will open up the routing menu, or this is touchscreen, so you can just touch it. From here, you're going to click on rides. If you're using your arrows, you'll hit the right side arrow. So we're going to click on rides. From here, you're going to click import. And now you have a list of all of your routes that you've created. So today for us is day 8. We're riding from Tucumcari, New Mexico to Santa Fe. Once that has loaded, all you have to do here is click ride. And give it just a minute because it likes to think about it sometimes. And there you have it. You've got your routing. Now, one issue that I've had from this navigation, if you get off the route or if you miss one of your waypoints, the routing will want you to turn around and go back. The way that you can reset is just going up here to the menu again, clicking end route, then going to the menu one more time, go to rides, go to import, go back down to the day, and then hit ride. And that will reset you. It'll take you to the next waypoint on the route. There you go. Now you're ready to navigate on a Harley-Davidson Street Glide, Road Glide, or any of the other models that use this newer navigation dash.